You are the bows from which your children as living arrows are sent forth. If you love somebody, let them go, for if they return, they were always yours. And if they don't, they never were. Beauty is eternity gazing at itself in a mirror. If your heart is a volcano, how shall you expect flowers to bloom? Perplexity is the beginning of knowledge. A little knowledge that acts is worth infinitely more than much knowledge that is idle. Let there be no purpose in friendship save the deepening of the spirit. I wash my hands of those who imagine chattering to be knowledge, silence to be ignorance, and affection to be art. Trust in dreams, for in them is hidden the gate to eternity. Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit. Out of suffering have emerged the strongest souls, the most massive characters are seared with scars. Forget not that the earth delights to feel your bare feet and the winds long to play with your hair. And ever has it been known that love knows not its own depth until the hour of separation. Yesterday is but today's memory, and tomorrow is today's dream. Life without liberty is like a body without spirit. Friendship is always a sweet responsibility, never an opportunity. We choose our joys and sorrows long before we experience them. Sadness is but a wall between two gardens. Progress lies not in enhancing what is, but in advancing toward what will be. Generosity is giving more than you can, and pride is taking less than you need. If you reveal your secrets to the wind, you should not blame the wind for revealing them to the trees. Faith is an oasis in the heart which will never be reached by the caravan of thinking. For life and death are one, even as the river and the sea are one. And forget not that the earth delights to feel your bare feet and the winds long to play with your hair. And forget not that the earth delights to feel your bare feet and the winds long to play with your hair. There are those who give with joy, and that joy is their reward. To understand the heart and mind of a person, look not at what he has already achieved, but at what he aspires to. Safeguarding the rights of others is the most noble and beautiful end of a human being. Poetry is a deal of joy and pain and wonder, with a dash of the dictionary. Your pain is the breaking of the shell that encloses your understanding. Doubt is a pain too lonely to know that faith is his twin brother. To be able to look back upon one's life in satisfaction, is to live twice. Truth is a deep kindness that teaches us to be content in our everyday life and share with the people the same happiness. Wisdom ceases to be wisdom when it becomes too proud to weep, too grave to laugh, and too selfish to seek other than itself. Faith is a knowledge within the heart, beyond the reach of proof. The lust for comfort, that stealthy thing that enters the house a guest, and then becomes a host, and then a master. Love and doubt have never been on speaking terms. I existed from all eternity and, behold, I am here, and I shall exist till the end of time, for my being has no end. All our words are but crumbs that fall down from the feast of the mind. Coming generations will learn equality from poverty, and love from woes. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video.